After watching this video, you will start to love potato pancakes again. There is one big secret that you need to know when making potato pancakes. But let's start with the recipe, after which you will learn about the secret I'm talking about. Now these are the ingredients you need. Wash and peel your potatoes. Then you shred the potatoes. Do the same for the onions, pepper and carrots. Now combine all these ingredients in a large bowl. You start with the potatoes, which is already washed, peeled and shredded. I used only 3 potatoes for this. After adding your potatoes, the next thing you go in with is your shredded carrots, after which we add the shredded onions and then the shredded peppers. We add in the salt, add in some crushed pepper, add some seasoning powder, and then you add some spices of your choice. This is mixed spices. Then add the eggs. Use 3 eggs and then you add 3 potatoes. 3 eggs to 3 potatoes. Then mix the ingredients gently until all the ingredients are well combined, until they are fully incorporated into the potato. Mix properly before you start frying. And there is one key secret to making perfect potato pancakes, which are more delicious than the ones we used to make before. This one secret I will be telling you at the end of this video. Now, after mixing these ingredients, you scoop out the mixture into a hot pan. Add some oil into the pan, then you scoop out the mixture when the pan is very hot. Flatten the mixture a little. You can add it in 3 batches if you like, and you can also fill the pan with the mixture and then fry both sides, after which you can cut it just like pizza shapes into smaller triangle shapes, and that is also making it look more beautiful. The main secret for making perfect potato pancakes is, first, after shredding your potatoes, you parboil the potatoes. If you want them to taste absolutely delicious and soft on the inside. Not parboiling the potatoes make the potatoes to be very hard and your potato pancakes will not taste right. After doing this trick, parboiling the potatoes before adding all other ingredients makes the potato pancakes extraordinarily crispy and extraordinarily delicious. Try this and let me know in the comment section how it turned out. After making this, you will not stop making potato pancakes forever.